Do you know many people are having trouble with their dehumidifiers not removing moisture effectively? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check airflow. Ensure there are no obstructions blocking the airflow around the dehumidifier. Step 2. Adjust settings. Verify that the humidity setting is low enough for effective moisture removal. Step 3. Close openings. Make sure all doors and windows are tightly closed to prevent humid air from entering. Step 4. Check temperature. Check the room temperature, as optimal dehumidification occurs at higher temperatures. Step 5. Reposition device. Position the dehumidifier away from any damp air sources for effective performance. By following these steps, your GE APEL50LZ should be efficiently dehumidifying your space. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other GE users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.